Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Reena. Today I am going to prepare a special kind of cookie. It's called Naan Khatai in India. It's a very popular biscuit, and actually this Naan Khatai has derived its name from Persian word naan, which means bread, and khatai means biscuit. Actually, it's a kind of shortbread biscuits, you can say. So, and it's very popular in northern India, and there are numerous type of ingredient and type of baking this. So today I am showing you the most easiest way, and I'll introduce you to the ingredients first. This is all-purpose flour. I have taken a cup of all-purpose flour, and this is besan. Besan means this is Bengal gram flour. This is semolina, suji we call. This is 1/4 cup. This is 1 cup. This is half cup. This is 1/4 cup. And to this, I will add 2/3 cup heaped of powdered sugar. You can use 1 cup of sugar also, but I want my biscuits to be little less sweeter. That's why I have taken less than 1 cup. It's optional. You can make it more sweeter also, and you can use 1 cup of full 1 cup of granulated sugar. And to this, we need 1 cup of clarified butter, that is ghee, desi ghee, and half teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of baking powder, and we shall use some chopped nuts and some this green cardamom powder. We'll use some green cardamom powder also to it for flavoring it. So let's start. We have to sieve the flour first. We shall put all dry ingredients in the siever except the sugar. Besan and suji. And to this we shall put a pinch of salt also. You know, in every sweet dishes it is essential to put a pinch of salt, and in a salty dish a pinch of sugar is just to balance the taste. And this is baking powder, baking soda, and we'll sieve it all so that no lump is left in this flour. So sieving of the flour is done. Now we shall do with the wet ingredient, that is ghee and the sugar. First we shall put the ghee. Then to this I'll add sugar, and then I'll add this ghee to it. Then you need to whisk it. I am using the whisker, but you can use the whisk it with your hands also. This mixture has become very creamy, so we are done with it. Now I will add this dry ingredient to this wet ingredient. You can see it. Now knead it. Use your fingers to knead it. You have to just bring everything together. You don't have to knead it for much long or something like that. So kneading is done. Now we'll make small cookie size balls. You can make small balls first with all this dough of equal sized ball. Of course, I am not very bothered about the size. It may be some big or small because I am making it for my family only. But if you are making it for commercial purpose, then you have to be careful that each the cookies must be of same size. So I'll make few and show you. There are two ways how you can do with the cookies. Make these, roll this between your palm to give the shape. Roll it. Small lemon size ball. If there is little cracks on the side, so don't worry. It's very normal. So how we can decorate it? First side, give it a X cut in few. And in few, you can make impression in the middle with your thumb. I hope you can see it. Now, put little cardamom powder in the middle. It will give beautiful aroma. And you know this cardamom powder you can mix while kneading the dough also. But I somehow like on the top. So I did it. See, it's your choice. So, and put some nuts. I'm using pistachio. You can put almonds. Likewise, you have to make all the cookies. And before it, you put it to the oven. Hi, it's out from the oven. Just look at these gorgeous looking cookies. Now I have to cool it. It's just out from the oven. So you have to cool it. Don't keep it under fan. At normal temperature, let it get cool. Then you can store it in an airtight jar. So I'll come back after it is completely cool. I'll show you. Bye bye. So I hope you have liked today's video. You know, it is unedited. It is very frankly speaking, honestly speaking, I made it for the first time. I tell you, if I am successful in my first attempt, I am sure anybody can make this cookies if you follow the recipes exactly. So I hope you will all try it and give your feedback. And please like my channel. Please subscribe, give your comments. That is very important to us. I'll come back with some more interesting and easy to make recipes. Thank you. Bye bye.